The bids for the upcoming auction of spectrum for third generation or 3G phones is expected to run into the thousands of crores of rupees. But now, the Department of Telecommunications is asking the Finance Ministry to treat the bid amount the winner pays as an expense. To find out what this means for cell phones in India, we speak to our correspondent, Shovik Ghosh. So, Shovik, what impact is this proposal going to have, and how did the government treat bidding amounts before?
You have to understand that the bid amounts are expected to go into billions of dollars. Now, if they're able to set this off, if this amount is allowed to be amortized, then they could, depending on the bid amount, they could end up paying no tax at all. You have to also see that so far license fee had a one-time payment, and that is already already allowed to be amortized. But for spectrum, there is no such provision. So the DoT is essentially asking for spectrum to be included, and therefore that being amortized as well. There is no previous example for spectrum.
And how is the Finance Ministry likely to respond to this request by the Department of Telecommunications?
How they will react, we can't really say. What we do know is that the decision will come out in the budget. Now, is the government willing to forego on tax revenue in order to encourage higher tax bids, higher 3G bids, is up to them. We'll only find out in the budget.
And if the government accepts this proposal, can it cause the bidding prices of the 3G auction to shoot up?
Bidding prices won't exactly shoot up, but there would be an upward effect. Analysts do say that there are other provisions in the Income Tax Act where they can set off these monies as expenses. But they would prefer to amortize it that would be a more telecom-specific provision.
Okay, thanks, Shovik, and thanks for watching LiveMint.com.